Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure title company workflow with First American Title detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch your web browser. Navigate to the First American Title website. Log into your First American Title account. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Find the workflow section in the main menu. Click on Configure Workflow to start the setup process. Begin by selecting the type of title service you want to configure. Fill in the necessary details for your workflow. Choose your preferred communication methods for client updates. Set the timeline for each stage of the title process. Assign tasks to team members based on their roles. Define the required documents for each phase to ensure compliance. Incorporate automated reminders for upcoming deadlines. Review your workflow configuration for any necessary adjustments. Test the workflow with a sample transaction to ensure functionality. Adjust any settings based on the test results. Save your configured workflow. Document any custom settings for future reference. Educate your team about the new workflow and its benefits. Monitor the workflow regularly for areas of improvement. Continue to refine your process as needed based on feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.